Good evening, everyone. Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. This is a viewer's request of... Can you guess what this is? Oh, wait. We gotta catch up one more time. Let me open the door. Oh, I thought this was cool. Oh, it won't do it again. Huh. It said Expedition on that 2004 navigation. Ford navigation. Talk about antiquated. Cold start, people. Cold. Check tire pressure. I don't think this thing's been moved in quite some time. This is my aunt's 04 Expedition. It's the car she usually drives all the time, but I've been seeing her cheating or sneaking around in her 10,000 mile 5-year-old Lexus. These low mile Lexuses, man. Gotta love them. Gotta love them. I'll just pull it out here and we'll do another little walk around. Yeah, let's see. The airbag light, I think, has been flashing or coming on and off for a while. Runs good. I feel a little bit of rumble in my seat. Typical 5.4 Triton rumble. Check tire pressure. I hope I got a flat tire. I gotta remember how to scroll through. Okay, yeah, here. Reset. Yeah, there we go. I want to get our miles. 114,555. Old Expedition running good. This baby, garage queen, garage kept, FOMO maintained. She's kind of dirty. She needs a bath. Well, there she is. Tread's still looking pretty decent. I'd say there's about 50% left, but oh, they need to be rotated. Ooh, yeah, I need to tell her that. Go back edge. Yeah, tires need rotation. Big old girl still running good. Like I said, this was a request from a viewer. Forgot the name, but I'll put it on the listing when I go back and check my comments. Sorry, I forgot. We had just a little bit of daylight left. I had a crazy day today, so I was glad I got to catch this afternoon. 6 quarts. 5W20 Mobile 1. Boy, that battery's looking kind of old. She's running mighty fine, All right, underway here. We're gonna run up to our little 0 to 60 spot. These second gen Expeditions, especially 03 and 04, I think, now someone correct me if I'm wrong, and I'm sure someone will, because there's always so much smut and talk spread around about the Triton 5.4. I believe it's the 3 valve or like I said, correct me if I'm wrong, but someone told me that the 03s and the 04s aren't affected in the truck, Expedition, etc. Again, correct me if I'm wrong. But I will tell you this. I've had an 03 Expedition. Out of the 500-600 cars I've owned, that is probably the one that I regret selling the most. It was my wife's. She absolutely loved it. It was red. We called it Big Red. 03 Eddie Bauer. If you go way back to the early beginnings of my channel, I think I've got maybe one video of it running. And I think the video came out sideways. But that's the only one I got of it, because I sold it several years back. Wish I hadn't, because these are the best used SUV. This one, to be as old as it is, runs and drives perfect. This thing just rides good. It's quiet. The steering is good. It has held together well. Now, it does help that it has stayed in the garage and it has seen Ford-only service. And it's an 04 with not even 115,000 miles. So it's not like this. It's been ridden hard and put up wet. I mean, this thing has led a pretty ginger life. You know, it's been handled with a light touch. I see these all the time at the auction with 200, 250,000, 300,000 miles, and they are freaking ass whooped. And some of them, though, aren't. Some of them got 250,000 miles, and they look as damn good as this one. So these, to me, are an excellent value and a great, if you need a big-ass SUV like this. But I don't know where, you know, what year it starts going bad. Maybe 05, 06, I don't know. 0 to 60, here we go. Just to the floor, baby. That's what we do. Hope she don't blow. And we just hope she don't blow. Better slow down. But this one has, I mean, it doesn't have any funky gear one, or my 03, I had to have the rear end redone in it because it had not only a howling rear end, but when you would make turns and accelerate in a turn, it would create a shuddering. It'd make the driveline shudder and chatter. It was real weird. It was about $1,800, I think, worth of work to get that rear diff straight. But luckily, the warranty I had gotten when I bought it, because I bought it from a Ford dealer, and it was a one owner, even though I bought it with 120,000 miles, and it was an 03, and I think this was like, I don't know, in 2010, so I was 7 years old at the time. They sold it with a 60-day unlimited mile warranty, so they had to pay for that, and it was a great rig after that. This one is two-wheel drive. Yes, two-wheel drive, Eddie Bauer. It's got the power pedals, heated and cooled seats. Here's an auction I've been wanting to check out and try out sometime. And it's right here. You see how far it is from the house. I go great distances to go to the auction, and yet here's a pretty good size one right here at my house that I never go to. I've got to check this place out. America's Auto Auction. Yeah. They always have a pile of cars out there. Need to go check them out. I think the dealer sells on Friday nights. Speaking of dealer sales, I've got 2 cars I'm going to pick up tomorrow. So look for those videos to be coming soon. I picked up a couple of new cars. Got them cheap. They're just little cheapies. One I'm kind of excited about, so I can't wait to go pick it up and drive it home tomorrow. I'm really pretty tickled about it. It's a throwback to my cars of old, of yesteryear. So, anyway, stay tuned for that. I'm going to be quiet for the rest of the ride and let y'all just enjoy some sweet Expedition road sounds. Back seat and everything still looking good. We have one grandchild that goes for a ride from time to time. Third row's never been used except maybe once or twice. And I love how this panel right here has always managed to stay black. Every one of these I see at the auction, they're all scratched. All the black paint is scratched off. Just another well-kept Expedition right here, folks. Y'all have a good one. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, and y'all have a fantastic evening. Peace.